falafel! Okay, so today we have a box of frozen falafel mix and it's gonna make us falafel. If you have never tried before, it's like an Arabic version of barde. It's blitz chickpeas, not blend, yeah, blitz. You know what's the difference with blend and blitz? Blend is when you and blitz is when you So what we're gonna do is, we have the falafel mix and we're gonna make it into little falafel patties and then we will deep fry it. Usually they make falafel with a falafel maker, but we don't have that, so we are going to use our hands. Okay, so just now the chef said squeeze it into a ball. How? So the trick is to make it really, what's the word? Compact? Yeah, to squeeze it and make sure that it's compact, but I don't know how to do it. Wow, smells damn good. Okay, so we have one. We'll see whether jadi or not, okay? Okay, so there's a chef behind the camera telling me to press, but when I press, it just becomes like... good job! Ooh, it looks like a meatball! Okay, second biji. Okay, we roll it. Yeah, like that, make it like compact. And then let it rest. The chef say let it rest for a while. I try. Let's try. Okay, I think it's hot enough, I think. Okay, I actually cannot see anything. I don't know what's happening now. Oh shoot! I think it's like stuck. Come on, why does this always happen to me? Oh, look at that! Yay! Wow, so cantik! Oh no!
It breaks!
Oh no, ni. This one broken. Okay, so the next tip, do not touch it once you drop it. Once you drop it, you leave it to fry. If not, it will break like whatever that's happening now. Okay, let's try to make one big one. One big falafel. This looks like a big fat meatball. Okay.
1, 2.
Alrighty. Now let's plate this over. Wow, it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. Macam atas.
Wow.
Macam atas ni. Can like that. Okay, I'm just going to try doing what the chef did just now. Okay, so now we are done with the falafel and it looks so pretty! And I'm really happy that it turned out this way. So now let's try to eat it. Smells good. It's really nice and it's soft inside. Crispy layer outside, nice and soft inside. So for falafel, it's a really famous street snack in a lot of Arabic country. And usually we eat falafel with garlic tom, which is a garlic mayo, homemade by our chef. And you can also dip it with hummus or just eat it whichever way you want. I also remember I had a falafel burger which is really good. So what you can do is take the mixture and make it into a patty. You pan fry it and then you eat it with a burger. Then you have a vegan burger. Okay, so this is also really good for sahur. You can roll it together with your family at night, freeze it and then fry it the next morning to eat this for sahur. So if you want to try this out, you can go to our website and buy your own frozen falafel and fry it yourself together with your kids. Thankfully, this episode I didn't fail, so good job. See you all soon. That's all. Bye bye.